Alright, so now we're almost ready to export. We're going to be adding a layer to be used in post-production. So let's just set up our interactive view. And then we want to go to render elements and select extra texture. Then we go to texture here. We want to create a new one. We'll just call it dirt. But what this will do will accentuate the edges and shadows of the image, so in post-production we can use it to create more three-dimensionality to our image. Let's go ahead and reset this render. We'll set the radius to 10 for now. Then go ahead and change our viewport to extra texture. Just give it a second. If we render out one part of these, we'll see that we have the texture. So it's always good to do one that's at 10 and then create a new one. So we go to our dirt map. You set 1 to 10 and set another one to about 80 to 100. You have to play around the settings because it depends on what scale you're using for your scene as well. But go for about 90 for this one. So we'll be able to use these in the final render. So now we'll go ahead and just quickly change our settings to final render settings, as I showed in previous videos. Then we'll go ahead and render this out. Alright, now that the final render has finished exporting, go ahead and click and hold and go save all image channels to separate files. And this way we'll have 3 separate files with all of our channels on it.